Hey guys, and welcome to the Burger Junction once again. I'm having my lunch, some French fries, which are spiced to perfection, spice and flavor. Got a little bit of a shake over here. I've been drinking the shake. Even if it's a cold day, I did feel like a Nutella and peanut butter shake, which is delicious, by the way. And here is the burger. This is the Hickory. I'm gonna find it difficult to. Here we go. So it is it's called the Hickory. It's got a beef patty with hickory smoked barbecue sauce, cheddar cheese, lettuce, tomato. Is it tomato? Yeah, there's a pickle. Sorry, not tomato. And I added bacon. So it doesn't come with bacon, but you can add it for $50 more. And why not? Since bacon makes everything better, as a lot of people like to say. Now this is going to be a messy burger because it's got that barbecue sauce oozing out, but it's not a very big burger. Still, never been not satisfied with anything that these guys have. So the Burger Junction, you are the best place. Let's try a big bite of that. Oh, I love that. I love that bacon. I love that barbecue sauce on it. Of course, there's mayo at the bottom. To be honest, and you might have heard me saying this before, I don't like lettuce, but it's kind of offering a little bit of a coolness because the barbecue sauce is a little bit spicy. Let's try one more bite. The bacon is crispy and delicious. Amazing burger. You know what would go really well if it was a double patty? It's kind of a little small, so I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10, but it's still pretty awesome. So yeah, 9 out of 10 for me. Thank you guys. Bye.